on the bread.
Yucca.
So
How about
gross.
peanut butter? Sorry. How about peanut butter and banana? Oh, that's
That's
fantastic.
good. That's delicious.
All right, 'cause you would have thought I had 7 heads yesterday when I said peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
No, that's normal. That's good.
Peanut butter and pickles are what people always say is really good.
Yeah. Gross.
I don't know. Eric didn't know what bumps on log were, that you could put peanut butter or something different. Yes. You had to go to the doctor for it. Yeah.
Wow.
He put peanut butter on a celery, and then you could put either raisins, or you could also do cream cheese with raisins on it too. But no, it's actually really good because it's kind of like you get the little bit of sweet from the raisins and a little bit of cream cheesy.
We talked about how Elbows likes to dip his Oreos in orange juice. He started doing that as a kid.
Damn it!
Brand things.
Damn it! Damn it! GM. You alright, man? Fucking guy in that truck decided to make that turn.
Yeah, I saw that. I broke him.